He says he's washed it a couple times.
That, we used to process construction materials, but it turned out to be very hazardly, so we stopped doing it.
Yeah, because it says clean wood and everything.
If he said he watched it a couple times, he means a couple hundred. That's no exaggeration.
That's
I mean,
awesome. We love
limit
that.
his computer time. Because if don't get up, he'll be on, like, say it was a rainy day. He gets on at 10.
Dad,
you know?
watch this.
He doesn't break
WM
lunch,
one
it's there. I'll say at 3 o'clock you're done for the day. And it's,
Dad, look.
you know what I'm
That
saying?
is awesome.
It's
Owen.
awesome to a point.
Cool.
One little cylinder lifts that.
What?
You said one little cylinder lifts that. That's a pretty big cylinder.
So in your body shop, is that where they where you put the trucks? Is that where they refurbish the dumpsters?
That is actually right across the street here. I'll point it out to you guys when we're leaving then, but we have, it used to be the York Mold Building. We bought the property, and it was basically an eyesore, and we just tore it down, and we store most of our containers over there now. We were running out of space. That was another area for us.
There's a Tidy Cats
stuff.
bucket.
So that's where we work with some
It's all crushed up.
companies where
Look
they
at-
come
there's a
in
couple of them.
well and rethink the
Look,
containers.
you can see a Tidy Cats bucket. It's crushed.
Yeah, I see a bunch of them.
I see 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
So one
I see
truck,
4.
like
Mhm.
one of your trucks, do they go once and they come back, or do they have to come back multiple times?
They usually come back multiple times because they get so full. They go on specific routes. Each driver has a specific route and is assigned to a specific
Look at
township.
That
So
truck
as he
came
fills
out of
up, we'll
nowhere.
have to come in here a
That
couple
truck down
times a
there,
day.
just like flew out of
Yeah.
nowhere.
I think I threw it.
That's a good reason for not getting too far away. Expanding too far.
Yeah, absolutely. I think we used to have an office down in Delta, but
Yeah.
even that was just
Our
getting
company,
a little too
Interstate,
far.
they're out of Shippensburg and they go back 3 times. They have Easy Pass.
So what's your favorite part about garbage?
I don't know.
You just like it?
Yeah.
It's fascinating. It is. It's amazing
He
how-
plays garbage, like our recycle cans, they don't look like this. Our recycle cans are all busted up, and it's not from our garbage man. He plays at the curb, crosses the back, in the backyard, and he buys buckets, smaller buckets. It's Heidi, we had to put an end to this. Our neighbor puts these out all the time,
Yeah.
and we had 15 of them in our backyard. Because he would make different stations. He'd go
That's
around in a
awesome.
little four-wheeler and pick them up. So little by little, we set them out to the curb when he's not home. We don't have the cat, but you'll
What
see
else
20
goes out
20
there?
Tidy cats. You know what I mean? Well, boy, they must have a house full of cats over there. No.
That's too funny.
So where does this pile end up in?
Our neighbor does. Our neighbor
That-
has 8 cats.
Is taken, he's just making it a bigger pile right now, but he'll scoop it up and take it over to,
Inside the soil.
yeah, that blue bin, and then a conveyor takes it up where they slowly start to separate it and sort it out.
Hear the bottles popping.
Yeah. I guess there was like a lid on
It's not a light
So,
machine.
in other words, obviously glass gets broken in there. So you must have a lot of broken. You said that's not recyclable.
It depends. I used to have a little. I know we used to resell it to a company out of Pittsburgh, but last thing I heard was that we weren't doing it anymore because it wasn't.
Look, it's gonna fly again.
I'm
like
not sure. Something wasn't working out, but as long as bottles stay whole, which a
gonna
lot of them do,
fly.
like these
Yeah.
will recycle, but anything that gets broken, we have to either resell or gets taken to the incinerator.
A little
The
bit.
Harrisburg incinerator. Did you see the?
Oh,
did you see the
they're a
paper
mess.
yesterday?
They are a mess.
It's losing $1 million a month.
Mm-hmm.
A month.
They have so many problems. It is not
Just
even.
level it.
Yeah,
Just
really.
level it.
Yeah, I hope the Lancaster Solid Waste Authority does buy them because the Lancaster, out of all the solid waste authorities around here, Lancaster is by far the best. They've got it together from an operational standpoint to an educational standpoint. They've got